Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix a very common problem with PayPal, which is holding the money for 21 days. This happened to me when I was selling on eBay 2 years ago. eBay holds all the money for 21 days. Like each transaction, each sale, they hold the money for 21 days. And that's exactly what I am going to show you in this video. I will show you exactly what helped me to get rid of that hold on PayPal. Now first, if this is just new, like recently you started to notice that every transaction is on hold, by the way, you just need to go to your PayPal and then click on home, and then here you will be able to see your balance, and then under your balance you'll be able to see on hold. You want to click on it so that you can see the transactions that are on hold. Now if you click on each transaction, you will be able to see the reason why the transaction or why the product or the thing service you are selling is its money is on hold. Now for the most common thing is you have to add the tracking number if it's a physical product, but if it's a service, you have to tell the buyer that paid you, you have to tell them, hi, can you confirm that you received the service on PayPal. They have to do the same thing, by the way. You just go to transaction, click on it, and then PayPal gives them an option after 3 days so that you can click on it, and then the money will be available to you right away. You just have to click on confirm. You have to click on the transaction, and then after they click on that, you will be able to see here confirm recipient or something like confirm the transaction, and then the money will be able to appear on your PayPal balance on PayPal. Now this is very common problem with PayPal, especially like if you are selling a lot of products and recently PayPal started to hold your money. It's because someone opens a dispute against you. Okay, when someone opens like multiple disputes against you on PayPal, PayPal starts to build trust again. Even they trust you at the beginning, but now they have to build trust again. That's why they hold some money, some products, some money on your PayPal just for a small like a period of time, which is each 21 days. Now after just a few days, you will be able to notice that every payment now goes to your PayPal balance immediately after you start to sell more products. That's just something like building trust with you again after a lot of people opened a dispute against you on PayPal. As you can see, there is someone that is selling digital products. As you can see, with digital orders, you can have your money available in 3 to 7 days. And as you can see, like I showed you at the beginning, you need to click on the order. Enter now your options. It will give you the option to click on order completed. Now even after you click on order complete, you will have to wait 3 days. Okay, so also you have to check if your PayPal has any problems or they are requiring from you any decommands. You just need to click on the notification here, and then you will be able to see what's happening with your account. Or you can also call them. If you scroll down, you can click here on contact us, and then you give them the reason why you are contacting them, and then you will be able to have a number, or you can just enter your number and then they will call you or send them an email. Now it's up to you. If you click here on contact us, you can find their information here. If you scroll down, you can click here on the reason why you are contacting them, and then you will be able to add your number, and then they will call you, or like I said, you can email them directly inside your own PayPal account. So hopefully this tutorial helped you. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.